Hi, Mark Reedy here. I just wanted to show you real quick how to add a bitmap picture to TATEMS, and also how to resize and reformat a picture that's not in the BMP or bitmap format. You can see over here I've got a folder called Equipment Pics on the C drive, and I've got two pictures in there. One of them is the BMP format and the other one is the JPG format. And what I'm going to do is show you first of all how to link that BMP picture to TATEMS. So I'm going to minimize that, click on Equipment Picture, and you can see here that we're looking for a picture of maximum size 5 inches by 3 inches, or 12.7 centimeters by 7.6 centimeters, or 360 by 216 pixels at 72 dpi. Now we're going to use a program called Paint a little bit later, and it's real easy to save a picture from one format into the bitmap format using Paint, and we're going to use pixels when we convert it from using Paint. So let me go ahead and click on the open folder icon to search for that picture, and we can see here when I click on that, it only shows me the one picture in that folder. It doesn't show me the JPEG picture, only the BMP picture. That's all we can select. So click open, and we can see here the picture has been attached and linked to this particular piece of equipment. Close the form, click on that equipment picture. You can see that it's still there linked, and if we click on Reports, Current Equipment Reports, and Unit Information Report, that picture will show up on this report as well. So when you print that report out, it's going to also print you a picture of that piece of equipment. We'll close that, and now I'm going to go ahead and show you how to reformat a picture that's not in the bitmap format. So I'm going to click on Start, and then All Programs, and then inside Accessories. Every version of Windows has a copy of Paint on it, so you don't have to buy any extra software in order to do this. So click Accessories, and then I'm going to click on Paint, and then I'm going to go to File, Open, and I'm going to open this JPEG or JPG. It's .jpg extension at the end. This is the one I need to convert, and I'm going to click Open. And in case you're wondering, this particular truck was a picture I took at a Santa Maria, California truck stop back in 2001. But it was our opening screen for TATEMS for quite a number of years. Anyways, I'm going to go ahead and resize this picture first. So I'm going to check the size of it, make sure it's not too big for what we're looking for. Remember, we need a picture that is 360 by 216, a maximum of 360 by 216. So either one of those two numbers will work for us. So I'm going to click on Resize, and I'm going to change this from percentage to pixels on the resize, and I'm going to change this to 360. I believe that's what we needed. Yep, 360. And we can maintain the aspect ratio of the picture so that it doesn't get too stretched out or out of whack. And the vertical at 270 is higher than what we were looking for here at 216, but that'll work fine because the width is good. So let's click OK there, and that has resized the picture. And now I'm going to save this picture as a bitmap file. So I click File and then Save As BMP Picture. And if you don't have this newer version of Windows that offers you the BMP picture right up front like that, you're going to see a dialog once you do a Save As that looks like this. And from this drop down here, it says Save As Type. You could choose what type of picture you want to save it as, and we're just going to leave it as bitmap. And go ahead and save that. And now that it's been saved, I'm going to close out of that program. And now we're going to go ahead and open that. And we can see that both pictures are showing up here because we have two bitmaps in that folder. Click Open, and now we have that particular picture linked to this particular piece of equipment. Close that, click on that again, you can see that it's been linked. Click on Reports, Current Equipment Reports, and Unit Information Report, and you can see that picture shows up as well. So I'm going to close that, and the other thing I wanted to tell you is that when you link a picture to TATEMS, if you were to move that picture off your hard drive, delete it, or move it to a different location on your hard drive, it's not going to be linked to TATEMS to that particular piece of equipment anymore, so you'll have to relink it. Just keep that in mind when you have a storage location for where your equipment pictures are. It could be on a network drive that everybody has the same path to, and you can make sure that you use that same path if you're using TATEMS in a network environment. And so, for instance, it might be / server name equipment pics, something like that. And so that way you would always have the same location no matter which machine or workstation you're at. Everybody will have access to that same path and be able to, and the same picture will show up on everybody's copy of TATEMS. Anyways, I hope that's helpful for you, and thanks a lot. Have a good one. Take care.